oh, this machine is debugged. So the first thing I'm saying is I'm going to change the width. As for the width, just loosen these two screws. Release and move this. Both sides are fine. It can be debugged on both sides. What about this three-sided word? Just this tune. If you're on both sides, you will be debugged in the middle. The two sides are so close together, then lock this screw.
Just this one is centered.
Yeah, that's right. Then adjust the width of this. Well, the next step is to tune this one, this thickness. You just put the paper in. This screw can be debugged here. Put it down. That's what's pressing this.
You can demonstrate it.
Is it loosen the screw, let it go down like this. Fall freely on this one.
Oh.
That's it.
It is based on the thickness of the backplate.
Tune, yes. After this is adjusted, that's it. Okay, these are fine. Then the thickness is also the same. This thickness is also the same as this thickness. Try it first. This can probably be debugged. Take and then this roller to stuff this cardboard. Make this thick. Thickness. Just plug it in and put it in.
Well, you can put it in now.
Okay. Today, it turns on. Then this one opens. Then adjust the speed here. This is not strong enough. Where this is it. This is not pressed tightly enough. Yes, not pressed hard enough. He couldn't get it over. There is a gap. Yes. This way. Let's see. Get another one, right?
This is not good, so I need to press it here.
Yeah,